Hello student, this is Latif sir. How are you? After summer vacation, today your school reopen. I think all of you are well. And today I'll discuss about ICC class 6 chemistry, the chapter 1, introduction of chemistry. Today I'll discuss about notable chemists and their contribution in chemistry. Let's start. First, Anthony Lavoisier was a French chemist who helped in the development of metric system in order to ensure uniform weights and measures. He also state he also stated the law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass is an important law in chemistry was given by Anthony Lavoisier. Lavoisier published methods of chemicals nomenclature which included the rules for naming chemical compounds. Next, John Dalton was an English chemist, physicist, and meteorologist, and he developed the modern atomic theory. Modern atomic theory was developed by John Dalton, and he gave the law of multiple proportion and the law of partial pressure. You have to remember the contribution, name of the scientist or chemist, and their contribution in chemistry. Okay, so contribution of John Dalton in chemistry is he developed modern atomic theory and he gave the law of multiple proportion and law of partial pressure. You have to remember which scientist gave law of multiple proportion. You have to the answer is John Dalton. Okay. Next, John Jacob Berzelius or Berzelius was a Swedish chemist who developed the modern system of symbol and formula. Which scientist developed the modern system of symbols and formula? Answer is John Berzelius. He also analyzed the numerous chemical compounds and discovered the elements silicon, selenium, and thorium and cerium. Now, next, Louis Louis Pasteur was a French chemist who found that the spoilage of food is caused by microorganisms and it can be prevented by destroying those microorganisms. He developed a process called pasteurization. Pasteurization is a process which involves heating milk and other beverage to kill the harmful microorganisms present in them. Next, Dmitry Mendeleev was a Russian chemist who classified the elements and developed the first periodic table. Which chemist gave the first periodic table? Answer is Dmitry Mendeleev. And he found recurring pattern or periodicity of properties within the groups and element. He actually Dmitry Mendeleev arranged the known element at the time hmm, in the form of periodic table in some group and period. He built up a systematic periodic table of all the 66 elements known at that time based on their atomic masses. Okay. Later, Alfred Bernhard Nobel or Alfred Nobel, was a Swedish chemist who invented dynamite. So you have to remember which scientist invented dynamite. Answer is Alfred Nobel. He also founded the prestigious Nobel Prize. Next, Niels Bohr or Henrik David Bohr was a Danish physicist who made contribution in understanding the structure of atom. So a structure of atom, yeah, the contribution of Niels Bohr is he made contribution in the understanding of structure of an atom. Next, Marie Curie. Marie Curie was a Polish physicist and chemist who is known for her pioneering research in radioactivity. She discovered radium. She is the first person. Marie Curie is the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, and the first person and the only woman to win it twice. Marie Curie won a Nobel Prize twice in physics and in chemistry, and the only person who win it in physics and as well as in chemistry. Next, Ernest Rutherford Rutherford was a British physicist who discovered atomic nucleus. So, which scientist discovered atomic nucleus? Rutherford. And the last one, Chintamani Nagesha Ramachandra Rao is an Indian chemist who has worked mainly in solid state and structural chemistry. His passion is nanotechnology, technology, especially nanomaterials consisting of carbon molecules. Okay, thank you. You have to remember the names of scientists and their contribution in chemistry. Okay, thank you.